Welcome back to the Recommenders. I'm Alex, and today we're not just sharing ideas, we're learning how to recommend with reasons.
Exactly. You know, giving recommendations isn't about telling people what to do, it's about inviting them to consider something. The way you say it matters just as much as what you say. Here is the formula for a clear recommendation. Let's see how that sounds in action.
Sure, here's a simple one. You should try the new cafe downtown. Their desserts are amazing, especially the pistachio cake. What do you think?
Perfect. You gave advice, added a reason, gave an example, and ended with a question. What do you think? That turns your recommendation into a conversation. Now, to sound polite and not pushy, we can use softer expressions. We call them softeners.
For example, you might want to visit Wadi Rum if you like quiet, open spaces. This sounds like a friendly suggestion, not a command, right?
Exactly, tone matters too. When we say you should, our voice usually goes down, confident and certain. When we say you might want to, our tone goes up, friendly and inviting. So, to make great recommendations, mix clarity, politeness, and a personal touch.
Be confident, give reasons, and leave space for others to respond. That's how you recommend, not just talk.
Now, it's your turn. Recommend something you love and make us want to try it. Happy learning!